Assalamualaikum dear students, today we will study about what is column, types of column, long column and short column, slenderness ratio for short column and long column. So let's start the video. Number 1. What is column? A column or pillar in architecture and structural engineering is a structural element that transmits through compressions the weight of the structure above the other structure's element below. In other words, a column is a compression member. What is the standard size of column? Standard size of an RCC column should not be less than 9 inch multiplied by 9 inch with bars, 4 bars of 12 mm FT, 500 stairs with M20 grade of concrete and stirrups. Recommended 9 inch multiplied by 12 inch. Standard size of RCC column for ground floor residential building. And next one is the what are the types of columns? The following are different types of square or rectangular column, circular column, L and T shaped column, type column, spiral columns, composite columns, axially loaded column. And next one is difference between long column and short column. The columns whose lateral dimension is very small when compared to its length or height is called long column. The column whose lateral dimension is very large when compared to its length or height is called a short column. Difference between long column and short column. Long column, the column whose lateral dimension is very small when compared to length, and in short column, the column whose lateral dimension is very large when compared to its length or height is called short column. Long column, it is generally filled by buckling, and in short column, it generally filled by crushing. In long column, ratio of effective length to least lateral dimension is greater than 12. And in short column, ratio of effective length to least lateral dimension is less than 12. In long column, slenderness ratio is greater than 45, and in short column, slenderness ratio is less than 45. In long column, as the height of column increase, the load carrying capacity is less. In short column, as the height of column decrease, the load carrying capacity is more. In long column, radius of creation is less, and in short column, radius of creation is more. And in long column, load carrying capacity is less. In short column, load carrying capacity is more. In long column is subjected to buckling stress, and short column is subjected to compressive stress. Next one is what is slenderness ratio for short column? A short column is one whose slenderness ratio does not exceed 50. An intermediate length steel column has a slenderness ratio ranging from about 50 to 200 and are dominated by the strength limit of the material, while a long steel column may be assumed to have a slenderness ratio greater than 200 and its. Number second is what are the classification of column. Column are mainly subjected to axial compression forces, so it is a compression member of the structure. When a compression member is vertically and its effective length height exceeds 3 times its least lateral dimension, it is called column. And the second one is what is a slender column. What is a slender column? A column is said to be a slender if its cross-section dimension are small compared to its length. If the slenderness ratio of column is high, it will collapse under a smaller compression load. Is contrast to a short column with the same cross-section dimension. And next one is what is slenderness ratio for long column. Depending upon slenderness ratio, column may be classified or short column and long column. If any of this ratio is equal to more than 12, then it is termed as slender or column. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.